This video will show you how to assign a Canva activity to your students in Canvas. So I'm going to start off in Canva, and I want to make sure that I am in my campus account. So if you click on this and you have one with your name on it, make sure you're in the one that falls with your campus. Okay? Then you're going to go in and create your activity, whether it's a worksheet or presentation or whatever, and it's going to save it down here in your projects. All right. Then I'm going to hop over here back to Canvas, and I'm going to make a new activity. And so my assignment, I'm just going to call this Canva assignment. And I'm going to add that item. We're going to edit this just like we always do an assignment. And we're going to do something a little bit different this time. We are going to, up here in the instructions part, we're going to click on the plug. And when I click on that down arrow, most likely you're going to need to choose View All, because if you have not done this before, that will not show up. So the first time you're going to click on View All, you're then going to go choose Canva for Education, and it's going to go access your Canva account. And you are going to see everything that you have created in here. If we go to Recent, that will show us the ones that we were just looking at. If I want to assign this particular activity to my students to work on, all I'm going to do is just click on it. If I haven't created something already, I can click on Create a Design, and it will let me go in and build from scratch. But in this case, I want to assign this particular activity. I have two choices. I can either embed the activity, so that will give them a preview of what it's going to look like, or I can just link the text. It really doesn't matter. The process will be the same for the kids. I'm going to go ahead and embed it. Then my next choice is, do I want the kids just to be able to view it, or do I want them to be able to work on it, edit it? And so this is going to give every student a fresh copy. This view design only would come in handy if you want to just share a presentation with them for them to work through. So I'm going to go ahead and give a new design for each student, and it's doing its stuff behind the scenes. And now then you'll see in my text window, here is the project that the kids are going to go work on. It's going to give them a link, and when they click on that link, that will go log them into Canva. So let's go ahead and let's just scroll down here. Let's save and publish so we can see what this is going to look like. I need to come back to my modules and make sure that that module is published as well. And it is not. So there we go. So everything is published, ready to go. So let's look at this from the student view now. So the students will come in here. They'll click on this particular activity. They will see this right here. When they click on the link, it will take them to their Canva account. You'll notice that this is going to go log in. It's going to be going to my account. So, but it will look very similar to what the kids see right here. They will come in here. They will use their tools over here to complete the activity. So if I just want to add a text box here, and I want the kids to put in a C, actually that's a rat, isn't it? And let's do another text box over here, and this would be a cow, and this would be eggs. Okay, so you see the idea. Once they're all finished with this, then the kids will share it. They do not have the access to this button right here that says publish to Canvas. Doesn't work yet. We're still working on that. But in the meantime, they will just click on share. They will have the option to share it with a teacher. Since I'm a teacher here, not a student, it doesn't work. But they will have an option here that says share with teacher. And when they share it with the teacher, they'll pick your name. It will then go into your Canva account, and you would grade that assignment by clicking on classwork over here. And you would see anything that has been turned in would show up right here. All right. So that's how you're able to create something in Canva and assign it to your students in Canvas.